Welcome, poultry farmers and all those interested in the fascinating world of natural farming methods. Today, we're bringing you a video that could revolutionize the way you think about broiler chicken growth. We are about to reveal a method that will help your broiler chickens achieve a healthy weight of 3.5 kilograms in just 6 weeks. No, we're not talking about some high-tech feed or some exotic, expensive supplement. We're referring to the power of 2 common leaves you might find in your backyard, the pawpaw and bitter leaf. If you're a poultry farmer looking for natural ways to boost your broiler chicken's weight, you're in the right place. By watching this video, you'll gain insights into how these leaves can be incorporated into your poultry farming routine and how they can contribute to the overall health and growth of your chickens. So, why wait? Sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of innovative poultry farming. Stay tuned to discover the power of pawpaw and bitter leaf in poultry farming. Have you ever pondered over the idea of how to tip the scales and get your broiler chickens to achieve a healthy weight of 3.5 kilograms within a mere 6 weeks? Yes, you heard it right. It's not as vague as it seems. You might be thinking about some high-tech feed or some exotic, expensive supplement, aren't you? But wait for a moment and let's take a break from the conventional ways of thinking. The answer, incredibly, might be something as simple and as commonplace as a plant that might just be growing in your backyard, or possibly even in your neighborhood, the pawpaw leaf and bitter leaf. Now, you might be wondering, what's so special about these leaves? The fact is, these humble plants, often overlooked by most, are indeed a treasure trove of nutrients. They are not just ordinary leaves, they are much more than that. They are a powerhouse of essential vitamins and minerals. They're packed with essential vitamins A, C, and E, all of which are vital for the healthy growth and development of your chickens. These are not just ordinary vitamins, they are antioxidants, which help in fighting diseases and boosting the immunity of your chickens. Apart from these, the leaves are rich in 2 vital minerals, calcium and potassium. Calcium is an essential mineral that is required for the strong growth of bones and feathers. It not only strengthens the skeletal system, but also ensures the production of high-quality eggs. Potassium, on the other hand, is a necessary mineral that maintains the electrolyte balance in the body and aids in muscle contraction, nerve function, and heart activity. But now the question arises, how do you incorporate these leaves into your poultry farming routine? It's pretty simple and straightforward. Start by harvesting fresh leaves from the pawpaw tree. A word of caution here, make sure that the tree is free from pesticides or any harmful chemicals. This is extremely important, as we don't want any harmful substances to find their way into our chickens' diet. Once you've got your leaves, make sure to wash them thoroughly. This step is crucial, as we wouldn't want any dirt or contaminants to interfere with the health of our chickens. After washing, the next step is chopping. Chop the leaves into small, bite-sized pieces. This doesn't just make the leaves look appealing, but it also makes it easier for the chickens to consume them. Now, it is time to mix these chopped leaves into your usual chicken feed. This can be done in a ratio of 1 part pawpaw leaves to 3 parts feed. This ratio ensures that the chickens get a nutrient boost without overwhelming them with the new addition to their diet. So, there you have it, a simple, economical, and efficient way to boost the health of your chickens. This gives the chickens a nutrient boost without overwhelming them with the new addition to their diet. Now, let's move on to the fascinating world of bitter leaf. As the name suggests, this leaf possesses a unique bitter taste, which might make you pause and contemplate about feeding it to your farm-raised chickens. Yet this seemingly peculiar choice of food has a myriad of benefits lying in wait, ready to be harnessed. You might be wondering if the bitter taste could potentially discourage your chickens from enjoying their meal. It's a valid concern. Yet the peculiarities of chicken physiology tell us a different story. The bitterness in the leaf can actually function as a stimulant for the chicken's appetite. It's a surprising fact, isn't it? This particular stimulant, the bitterness, can lead them to eat more, inducing a faster weight gain. This attribute becomes highly beneficial for those who are looking to bulk up their farm birds within a short span. The bitter leaf is not a standalone marvel. Its effects are reminiscent of another familiar leaf that's commonly used in chicken feed, the pawpaw leaf. Similar techniques of harvesting and preparation apply here as well. Start by harvesting fresh, bitter leaves, ensuring that they are ripe and in their prime for feeding. It's crucial to harvest them at the right time to maintain the optimal level of nutrients and bitterness. Once you've harvested the leaves, the next step involves a thorough cleaning process. Wash these freshly harvested leaves meticulously, ensuring that no dirt, dust, or any other foreign particle is attached to them. This is a vital step in maintaining the hygiene and health of your chickens. Post-washing, the leaves need to be chopped into small, manageable pieces that the chickens can easily consume. Chop them finely, but not too small as to lose their texture. The right size ensures that your chickens can effectively break down the leaf in their digestive system, absorbing the maximum amount of nutrients and benefits. The ratio for mixing bitter leaf to feed is slightly different when compared to other leaves like the pawpaw leaf. Given its potent taste and the effect it has on the chicken's appetite, a different approach is required. We recommend a ratio of 1 part bitter leaf to 5 parts feed. This optimum ratio ensures the taste isn't overpowering while still providing the necessary stimulation for appetite. Now the final stage is to feed your chickens this fortified diet consistently. Consistency is key in achieving the desired results. By feeding them this diet for 6 weeks, you'll be amazed at the transformation. You'll see a noticeable difference in their weight gain, making your chickens healthier and ready for the market. It's the marvel of the bitter leaf, demonstrated in the growth of your farm birds. To recap, the process is exceptionally user-friendly and surprisingly effective. By consciously integrating pawpaw and bitter leaves into your chicken's regular diet, you're performing an act of nourishment that goes beyond conventional feeding methods. You're supplying them with a feed that's not only rich in essential nutrients, but also helps in stimulating their appetite. This stimulation plays a pivotal role in accelerating their weight gain. It's a simple yet powerful symbiosis, where the chickens benefit from the nutrient-dense feed, and they gain weight at a much faster rate. This is a win-win situation that underlines the importance of balance in the dietary regime for your broiler poultry. However, achieving this balance depends on using the right proportions of pawpaw and bitter leaves in your chicken's feed. The recommended ratio is 1 part pawpaw leaves to 3 parts feed, and 1 part bitter leaf to 5 parts feed. This proportion is not accidental, but is based on years of research and practical farming experience. Just envisage the immense benefits that could be reaped with a smidgen of effort and a dash of greenery. You could effectively have heavier, healthier chickens in just 6 weeks. Isn't that an aspiration worth striving for? Wouldn't you want to provide the best for your poultry and eventually boost your profits? Why not give this scientifically backed method a try and witness the transformation firsthand? And remember, the proof of the effectiveness of and bitter leaf is evident in the healthier and plumper chickens that you will nurture. It's an easy and natural method, yet it's incredibly cost-effective. By incorporating this into your farming routine, you're essentially simplifying the complexities of poultry farming. This is not just farming. It's smart farming. It's the future of poultry farming, and it's within your reach. Thus, don't hesitate and turn over a new leaf in your poultry farming journey. In summary, the synergy of pawpaw and bitter leaves in your poultry feed not only offers a boost in nutritional value, but also enhances weight gain in a natural way. This method, backed by research and practical farming experience, is a testament to the power of innovative, sustainable farming. By embracing this approach, you're setting the stage for a healthier, more robust flock of chickens. The benefits are manifold, from healthier chickens to increased profits. And the best part? It's all natural, simple, and cost-effective. We encourage you, as responsible poultry farmers, to give this method a try. Witness the transformation in your poultry's health and weight, and experience the satisfaction of knowing you're providing the best for your birds. As we wrap up this informative session, remember the golden rule of poultry farming. A healthy chicken is a happy chicken. So let's make our olives happier and healthier with the power of pawpaw and bitter leaves. Let's turn over a new leaf in our poultry farming journey together. Thank you for spending your valuable time with us today. watching our video on achieving a 3.5 kilograms weight in just 6 weeks, using the Pawpaw and Bitterleaf method. We appreciate your interest, and we hope that this video has been informative and helpful in your quest for sustainable and innovative poultry farming. If you found this information useful, we'd love for you to help us spread the word. Like this video, share it with your fellow poultry farmers, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. This will not only help us reach more farmers, but also create a community where we can all learn and grow together. Remember, the key to successful poultry farming is innovation, sustainability, and a keen interest in the well-being of your flock. So let's continue to explore, learn, and share. Before we sign off, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video among your farming community, and subscribe to our channel for more innovative farming tips and tricks. Thank you once again for your time, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy farming!